What's up, guys? Welcome to a new vlog. Ray here, excited to bring to you another video, guys. And as you can see, I am back home again from the lovely Sardinia. And today's vlog, as you just read up above, it is an unboxing, and I got this gift, and I'm just gonna quickly unbox it with you guys. As you can see, it is amazingly packed. But before we do that, guys, you already know, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Comments down below. What do you guys think of this? I just got this one too, because today is my lovely, lovely birthday. And I'm just gonna quickly go ahead. Have you subscribed already? All right, let's go and open this. As you can guess already, this beautiful bag, all the way from Italy. I'm gonna try and open it carefully. So here we go. So we got, whoa, I got here a beautiful card. For my love, shine many more years. Happy birthday, baby. Oh my God, beautiful, beautiful card in there. I'm gonna put this on the side. What else is in there? Few paperwork from Versace, so you can see, lovely, lovely card. But the main event, guys, it's down here. This is it. This is the Versace. The Versace sunglasses. I have been waiting for this. I love the way they package this. Okay, it's just a rubber. Get it all out there like that. Oh, lovely, 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 like that. Oh, it looks amazing. All right, put this on the side, and gonna go ahead. Let me just show you down here, guys. This is the Medusa sunglasses, and go ahead and just open these ones babies out, and this is what you get. And oh my God, looks, I'm gonna put this on the side, coming back for this ones. But what's in the box? Few paperwork, eyewear collection from Versace, and just a date and a card in there, and then a wiping cloth in there too. Lovely, 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 lovely this. All right, I'm gonna put this on the side and then quickly open this. Oh my God! Drum roll! Boom, 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 boom. All right, let's see if I'm opening it on the right side. I'm gonna quickly just open this with you guys. Woo! Here we go! Here we go! Here we go! There we go. What you guys think? Lovely, lovely Medusa sunglasses. Gonna get this paper out of here. Just show you guys a close up. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. I love, you got in many colors, but I love this color, the golden side on the sides. This is it. This is a size 54, I believe. You got a size 53 too, but I went for 54. It's on the sides, and then these are the shades themselves, guys. This is amazing. I'm gonna quickly just change them with my, what do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know what do you guys think of the Medusa sunglasses from Versace. All right, guys, that's it for today. Catch you on the next one. Don't forget, be kind to one another. Peace.